Everyone, my name is Lily Cunningham. For my vision board, I placed a picture of my husband and I and our 2 dogs from our wedding this past June. I put the picture in the center of my board to motivate me and remind me why I'm doing what I'm doing. My vision board has some of my personal goals on it, such as graduating with my master's degree and passing my NP licensing exam the first time. Some other goals of mine that I have shown in the top row are to become a family nurse practitioner and to increase my savings. I also put some inspirational quotes on here. She believed she could, so she did, and the Bible verse, God is within her, she will not fall, to help encourage and motivate me to keep going, even when things get tough, and as a reminder that I can be a successful NP one day if I put my mind to it. To the left of my vision board, I put the Circle of Caring model. Through the Circle of Caring model, I plan to complete my assessment of objective and subjective findings, complete my identification of medical diagnosis and the patient's response to illness, complete my advanced practice nursing responses and interventions, and achieve objective and subjective indices of health through courage, commitment, patience, advocation, knowing, and authentic presence. This model best describes my future nursing practice because I want to ensure that through my patient care, I remain caring and compassionate in order to optimize patient care and trust. The right side of my nursing board is dedicated to roles I see myself becoming most effective in and APRN competencies I plan to grow in. I believe that I can be an effective team member and use teamwork and interprofessional collaboration to give my patients the optimal care that they deserve. I believe that I can become an effective leader and help guide my coworkers through the good and the bad. I put the nurse leadership image on my nursing board as a reminder of what it means to be a leader and the qualities that one must have in order to be an effective leader. I'm hopeful that one day I can act as a mentor to my colleagues and be a good APRN role model. I also put an image on there of a nurse transitioning into an entrepreneur. I know that there are steps I need to take to grow in the entrepreneur competency. I can see myself gaining these skills in the role development by obtaining an entrepreneur mentor. I believe that I would learn a lot and that it would be really beneficial to shadow an entrepreneur, to see what their career is like, and to interview them and ask them questions about how they became an entrepreneur, and to see if they had any tips or recommendations for me. Obtaining a mentor would also help me grow in other APRN roles too, such as leadership skills and mentor skills. I really enjoyed completing this project, and I look forward to using this vision board to help me navigate my future.